dito sa AI age, lalo na in the near future, saan mo nakikita yung mental health ng collective? It will get better ba or it will get worse?
Well, unang-una, with any, kahit na sa development ng technology natin, who is it comfortable for? Kasi malaki ang digital divide natin. Madami sa atin na hindi talaga nakaka-access ng technology. Even life-saving technology, such as medicine, na hindi na-access ng maraming tao. Maraming walang kuryente sa Pilipinas. Such a basic necessity. So ito yung mga bagay na parang sino ba nakaka-benefit? And who does it... Kasi yung AI, yung takot ng mga tao sa AI is madami siyang i-replace na jobs. Ideally, that sounds to me like if you replace jobs, that gives people space to pursue their real interests. Di ba? Di ba dapat ideally na parang kung siya na ang gagawa, kung yung AI na ang gagawa ng mga nakakatamad na trabaho,
yun daw ang point daw talaga.
Eh di sana pwede na tayong gumawa ng art, pwede na tayong magsulat, magbasa, makipagkaibigan and whatever. Pero yung AI na rin gumagawa ng art eh. Yung AI na rin nagsusulat. So parang, ano gagawin natin? So we feel obsolete as a species. We feel obsolete as a product. We're competing with AI. Bakit? So that's the really strange thing about it is na bilang tao, why do we feel that AI is going to take over us? When ideally, AI can help us live better lives. So it really shows na yung attitude natin about the system, our fears about the reality of human systems, na parang yung lipunan natin is really may parang kung hindi ka finished product, kung hindi mo kaya mag-produce, kung wala kang value in terms of monetary ability, pwede kang i-replace.